When can a company be considered as not yet operational? What does start of operations mean? The facts of the case are as follows. Mala Lag Ventures filed an application for exemption from compliance with wage order number RTWPB 11-03 as a new business enterprise or NBE. The board granted said application based on its findings that the documents submitted on file, which is SEC Registration Certificate of July 15, 1992, the 1992 to 1994 business permits and 1993 quarterly income tax return, support the company's contention that it had not yet started commercial operations as of the effectivity date of subject wage order. Oppositor appellant's motion for reconsideration having been denied by the board, files this instant appeal. The issue under consideration in this case is whether or not Mala Lag Ventures started its operations within the required 2-year period immediately preceding the effectivity of subject wage order on December 1, 1993. The National Wages and Productivity Commission ruled as follows. As clarified by the National Wages and Productivity Commission, in NWPC case number E95-098, July 3, 1996, citing the case of Tang Lao Fruits Company, Incorporated Workers Union ALU, the oppositor appellant. Start of operations means the date of issuance of a business permit to operate by the mayor of the local government unit concerned, unless there is other proof or evidence showing that the applicant company started hiring its employees prior to the issuance of a business permit. The findings of the board are contradicted by the records of the case, as borne out by documentary evidence, notably the check and journal voucher validation forms, which are all dated with various dates in 1991, as well as photocopies of the company's identification cards bearing the names and pictures of certain employees, all with entries and date hired on various dates in 1991. The company indeed had been doing and operating its business activity as a developer of banana plantations as early as the first quarter of 1991. Otherwise stated, an applicant's claim to have started operations on a date within the cutoff 2-year period immediately preceding the effectivity of a wage order may be disproved not only by the non-issuance to applicant of the business permit to operate as required by the rules, but also by other evidence showing that the applicant started hiring its employee/s prior to the issuance of a business permit to operate. This the union was able to prove when it was able to show that while applicant had the necessary business permit to prove that it started operations within the required 2-year to prove that it started operations within the required 2-year immediately preceding the effectivity of subject wage order. Applicant was also shown to have hired its employees prior to the issuance of said business permit, thus disqualifying it as a new business enterprise. For more discussions on wage-related issues, please like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell.